Let's delve into the process of concealing your followers list on TikTok. If you prefer to keep this information private, you have the option to do so, ensuring that only you have access to it. Previously, hiding your followers list meant making your entire TikTok account private. However, now you can achieve this without restricting access to your entire account. Here's how. First, launch the TikTok app on your device and navigate to your TikTok profile. Once there, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines positioned at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy section, proceed to access the privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Following List. This option determines who can view your list of followers. Now, select the Only Me option for this setting. By doing so, you ensure that only you have visibility of your followers list. With this adjustment, no one else will be able to view your list of followers. That's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden your TikTok followers list, safeguarding your privacy on the platform. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.